I'm Angela Ogonna Chukwulobe from Anambra State, Obinotoro Nnewi North, Anambra State, Nigeria. When I'm overstressed or unhappy or no one to feed me or help me, I can be in a someone can lose my conscience and the form of one being epileptic. I'm just a young lady that lost reading and writing. After many years, when I lost my parents, I was just alone. Don't know what pushed me. I started using my Bible to write, and what I'm writing, after writing, I'll just go through what I wrote down, and I'll be happy to read the story. And what is there makes me to be happy. That makes me all the time. I can go out and come in. Whenever I goes out and see something that can push me to write, I can just put a title and then come, when I'm in, I'll just brief it alone, and then suddenly it come out as a story. And that's that. Since then, I've been writing. Then whenever I write, I can go to some shops or market it and then market it one by one. After writing one, you can still use the money to write another one. That's why I'm able to write out all these books, which are 22 in numbers, and I still have over 25 different titles on printed ones. Through this book also, sometimes I'll go and buy drug. Drug can cost me 2,000 or 3,000. I've gone for operation in my place, and after the operation in my place, that cost me 8,000, which I went out with the help of people that helped me to pay for the operation bill. But still, I still express that kind of sickness, which I don't know what I will do. Sometimes I will be unconscious in terms of when I'm unhappy, when I didn't have anything to eat, or when I overstress myself. That is when I will be expressing certain of sickness. You said which I don't know. I've gone to, whenever I go to any doctor, they still tell me to keep on drinking that drug. That drug needs to pay me for me to buy it, because it always makes my books me able to have money to print out like this. All this, I don't know what to do. Instead, I have printed ones with me around. Still the same. All these things have been a problem to me, and that's that. And because of my condition, I'm a young lady, and I've determined that my condition, even if that things that makes me to stay in my father's house till now, I determined that no matter what and whoever that comes, no matter the kind of human being that comes to me, that I must leave my father's house in order for me to have peace, both in my father's house and also to see someone that will make me to be happy.